Drug pricing is definitely a complicated matter. And so there would have to be multiple pieces of a policy to have a significant impact, I feel. But starting with a policy really focusing on transparency across the board when it comes to drug pricing and cost would be really important. Right now, it's a pretty convoluted system, and there's a lot of focus on one particular group. They're called pharmacy benefit managers. You can think of them as a middleman, if you will, but they were originally created really to reduce administrative costs for insurers, validate patients' eligibility, administer plan benefits, and also negotiate costs between pharmacies and health plans. And so really, they work with rebates, pricing, reimbursement across the board. So working with drug manufacturers, working with pharmacies, also working with insurers. So they've kind of got their hands, if you will, in every aspect when it comes to drug cost or pricing, but there's not much transparency there. And there's also no regulation. The Supreme Court has agreed to hear a case around the impact of pharmacy benefit managers, or PBMs, and their impact on drug pricing and regulations, which is a great step in the right direction. But there are other things too. So Medicaid, for example, is a good model in the fact that it has a rebate negotiation that basically guarantees that Medicaid will pay the lowest price for a medication in exchange for that medication being on their formulary. When it comes to the initial pricing of medications, moving towards more of a value-based system might actually allow for some better negotiating. Other countries have actually already have measures like this in place. So like if a new medication hits the market, there's actually a review to assess the efficacy of the agent. And if that medication doesn't prove to be more efficacious or beneficial to the patient compared to other cheaper therapies that are already on the market, then the price can't be set higher than other available agents. So I think that's something else that's really important and could have a huge benefit.